So the question is to find the integration of tan³ 2x into secant 2x dx. So we know that tan³ 2x can be written as tan square 2x into tan x into tan 2x. So tan square 2x can be written as secant square 2x minus 1. So let's substitute this here. So this will become integration of secant square 2x minus 1 into tan 2x into secant 2x dx. So now let us consider u equals to secant 2x, then du by dx equals to 2 times secant 2x into tan 2x. So du by 2 is equals to secant 2x into tan 2x into dx. So now we have to substitute this by du by 2. So this will become integration of u square minus 1 du by 2. So 1 by 2 I will take outside, integration of u square du minus integration of du. So this will be half u square is u cube by 3 after integration, then minus du integration is u. So the final answer will be 1 by 6. U is secant cube x, secant cube 2x minus half of secant 2x. So this is the final answer.